y'all, this is Jeannie, and I'm setting up next week's planner. I just copy and pasted from last week's because I liked it so much. But what I want to do is in the pages after these, right now it's the next week, I want to add some journaling pages. I have started keeping my scripture journal. I do sketches for it, just usually on the Sunday gospel from church, so I can reflect on it all week long prior to Sunday. So I usually just put it in after, and then when I'm looking at my planner in the morning, I flip to it and just kind of refresh my mind as to what I'm thinking about, what I'm learning about, and what I'm going to do for the week. But what's the quickest, most efficient way of doing that for me? I know there's a lot of ways you can do it, but let me show you the way I found, because I have old eyes and sometimes it's hard to see. In the upper left-hand corner of my screen, there are 4 blue squares. I'm going to tap on them, and I get the thumbnails, favorites, and outlines. Well, I want to stay in thumbnails. And you can see all of the pages of my planner are actually numbered. So I'm going to scroll back to the very beginning of my planner, and I know it's the beginning because I have the covers, and then 6 and 7 are calendars. 8 through 20 are all different templates that can be copied and pasted anywhere in my iPlanner. The first thing I did in preparing to do it this way is I took especially the ones that I had difficulty seeing. For example, the colored squares on this make it really easy to identify. But I took the plain pages and wrote plain in black ink, dots on the dots, and grid on the grids. And then the lines, they're very brilliant. I can see them without a problem. So I'm going to go back to my thumbnail view, and as you can see, I can now identify, and I could have written it bigger, but identify which template page it is. I prefer, when I'm doing my journaling, the dot page. Read it somewhere early on, it's just my favorite. So how am I going to copy it, and how am I going to paste it to the pages behind this week's planner? First thing, upper right hand corner of the pop-up menu, I'm going to choose the word select. And beneath each one of my pages you get kind of a medallion shape. I'm going to check that, it turns blue. Now a menu shows. I can copy, rotate, export, trash. I want to copy that page. It will tell me what it's doing, and when it's completed, I'm going to select Done from the upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to scroll back to my weekly planner page for this coming week. And I know for a fact that it's the second in the series, it's number 80, and if you look very closely, and I wish I could zoom in, but I can't, there's a little down arrow, there's the number 80, and off to the left-hand edge, there's a little down arrow. I'm going to select that. And now I get a drop-down menu or a pop-out menu. Add page before, add page after, duplicate, add page to outline. In this instance, I'm going to add page after. So I'm going to select that, and it gets the pop-up menu. Add the page, current template, paste the page, exactly what I want to do. I paste it, it's pasting, and look what I've got right behind my days. Let me close this. Well, let me go to that page. Now, next week, it starts on the 14th because my planner starts on a Monday. I go, next page is the exact page I copied. And I can actually access all of my links. But right now, I think I'm going to go back. I shouldn't have done that, but that's okay. You needed to see it. I needed to do it. I'm going to go back to that page. The only thing I have left to do is I'm going to go select my pencil, select the eraser, take care of the word dots, and now these 2 pages are ready to go for any kind of journaling. I hope this helps you with copy and paste of pages and templates in your journal, in your iPlanner, or in your Key Life album. Until next time.